Greetings folks, apparently Let's Drone Out is having its 10th anniversary. Congratulations Let's Drone Out, that is an incredible effort to keep your show running every week continuously for 10 years. Just thinking about how I was involved with Let's Drone Out. I think Jack emailed me about 6 years ago, I think, asking if I wanted to have an interview or a chat or something like that, and I thought, what the hell does he want to interview me for? I'd know nothing about drones or quads or anything like that, so I put him off. I hoped that he would forget about it, but he came back a year later and asked again, and he has a way of convincing you to do things, and so I said, yeah, okay, I'll go on the show. Quite nervous about it because I'd seen some of the incredibly knowledgeable and technical experts that had been on the show before, and I was certainly not that. But anyway, Jack made me feel comfortable. I enjoyed my time on the show, and over the years I keep checking back in and watch a complete show occasionally. So congratulations, you've done an incredible effort. You've got your own unique laid-back, relaxed style that looks like it shouldn't last, but it has lasted very well indeed. I thought I'd try and do a multi-rotor style message for you at the end, so we'll see how we go. This is my Altus VTOL, and I am trying to get it to come over the beach, record my little sand message, try and get it to land. There's transition, there's VTOL mode. Oh, we're doing pretty well. Hope that worked. Congratulations from me, and keep up the great work. See you later.